Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the construction of rhombus in practical geometry. Now let us see the first one, the given sum. Construct the following rhombus with the given measurements and also find its area. Finally, you have to find out the area of the given shape. Now that is given rhombus name FACE, okay, rhombus FACE. The FA, the measurement is given 6 centimeter, and FC, that is diagonal side line, is also given FC equal to 8 centimeter. By using this given measurement, you have to draw the rough diagram first. Now let us see the rough diagram here. First you have to draw the rough diagram of the rhombus FACE. Here the base measurement is given 6 centimeter. FA, that is side FA, that is baseline, okay, baseline segment, that is 6 centimeter. Then FC, that is 8 centimeter is given, that is diagonal, that cross line. FA and FC is given, so you have to mark this measurement. Then after that, already you know that because the rhombus, all that sides are equal only. Here that opposite side 6, here in this 3 sides 1 2 3, these other 3 sides are 6 centimeter only. The base is 6 centimeter, other 3 sides is also 6 centimeter. So you have to write that 6 centimeter for other 3 sides. After that you can draw the main diagram. Now let us see the main diagram. Now let us see how to draw the given rhombus. Now first we have let's see the rough diagram and then start. In the rough diagram FA, that is baseline segment 6 centimeter. So by using the ruler you have to draw the line segment 6 centimeter FA. Draw the baseline FA 6 centimeter. After that they are giving the diagonal FC 8 centimeter. Here AC also 8 centimeter. So now we can use by using the compass. So now take the measure of 8 centimeter. So by using the compass you can take the measure of 8 centimeter and then keep it on that F. Okay, F as center. You have to draw one arc like this. Okay. Now F as center, take the measure of 8 centimeter and put one arc. Now again take the 6 centimeter measurement. Now you can keep your compass like this. You take the measure of this one 6 centimeter FA only. Take the measure of 6 centimeter and then keep it on that A. You just cut the another arc. Here this 2 arc cut at one point. Okay. Now here you put that point name as C. Now you can join this. You can join this FC and then AC. By using the ruler you have to draw the FC and then AC. Now you can join like this. Now one part is over here. Then rhombus part 1 is over. Now here also we want 2 sides, that is FE and ECE. Let us continue the next part. Then one part is over. FA 6 centimeter. Here FC, that is 8 centimeter. Diagonal is here. Here also 6 centimeter. Now keep that F as center and then put an arc. Put one arc at 8 centimeter. That measurement. Here A. Keep the A as center, take the measure of 6 centimeter and put another arc. The 2 arcs cut at one point, that is C. Now part 1 is over. Here this side, this other 2 sides also 6 centimeter measurement only. Now by using the compass you can measure like this. Okay, keep the compass like this on the line segment. You can measure, take 6 centimeter measurement and put one arc like this. Here F as center. Keep the F as center, put one arc for 8 centimeter, for 6 centimeter. Here again keep the C as center, then put another arc. Now these 2 arcs cut at one point, that point name is E. Okay. Now FACE, then 4 points are over. Now you can join FE. Here EC. You can join this. Here also 6 centimeter, then 6 centimeter. Now that picture rhombus is over. Okay. Here the diagonal is 8 centimeter measurement. After finishing this, you have to write the construction of the given picture. Now let us see the construction of the given picture. The first point is, first one, draw a line segment FA equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the construction of the given picture. First one, draw a line segment FA, that is baseline equal to 6 centimeter. With next one, with F and A as centers, okay, then point F and A as center, draw arcs of radii, okay, two radius, so radii 8 centimeter and then 6 centimeter respectively. So the two arcs cut at one point, that point is C, let them cut at point C. Now the next point is, after marking the point, you just join FC and AC. You can join FC, line segment FC and AC. Now with F and C as center, after that you start to draw the another part. Okay, F and C as centers, draw arcs of radius 6 centimeter. Both the sides 6 centimeter only. 6 centimeter each, and let them cut at the point E. Now you can join FE and EC. Now FACE is the required rhombus. Last one, the last point is now FACE is the required rhombus. Okay, is it clear? This is the construction. After finishing the main diagram, you have to write the construction below it. Then after that, you can start finding the area of the given picture.